Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. Like, share, subscribe. Comment on what you want to see next. Rok or any of the crew member, team member. If you're watching this video, the show was just awesome. And it's not one of the best, but it is the best stunt show that have ever happened in Nepal. The stage was literally on fire. It was the best that I've ever seen. I used to watch your videos since last few years and I've never thought that you would ever come to Nepal. But you came and did a very great show. And now that you're in Nepal, I think you should go to real mountains and do some stunts. That would be awesome. Keep rocking. Keep rocking. Keep rocking, Rok! And I hope you're having great time in Nepal. And like always, see you on the next video.